with all the UFO sightings these days, you'll be shocked to see this home in Eugene, Oregon. Although it may bear a resemblance, this house is not a spaceship. This curved home has a living space, a bedroom, and a bathroom in a compact 855 square feet. The ceiling is about 12 feet high. The shape means that the structure has some odd interior angles and not much wall space for hanging things. The small kitchen definitely doesn't evoke the space age. It could use an update. While the dome home itself may be petite, the property it sits on isn't. The offering comes with nearly 5.5 acres of beautiful land. And although the home is unique, it blends right in with the freewheeling spirit of the Pacific Northwest.